You gotta see this one.
Adult human cells, left alone in a dish, built themselves into a robot. No metal, no genetic edits, just tracheal cells that assembled into a self-propelled living organism. And then one of them repaired nerves. The team named them Anthrobots, published by Gita Gumuskaya, Michael Levin, and colleagues in Advanced Science, 2023. Here's the part that stopped me. They laid an Anthrobot across a scratched sheet of living neurons, a gap where cells had been wiped out. In the dish, neurons regrew across that bridge. Each bot is grown from a single patient's own cells. Immunologically compatible, non-modified, and it biodegrades within weeks. That design collapses 3 regulatory hurdles at once. That's what separates it from Xenobots. The earlier frog cell version, human, patient-derived, and disposable, is what makes this one commercially serious. But the patents tell the real story. 4 patent families were filed across 2024 and 2025, including a new Neurobot filing that pairs ciliated cells with neuronal aggregates. Publicly disclosed funding tracks around $1.7 million, but that number badly understates it. The core work sits inside institutional budgets that never show up line by line. The pitch for nerve damage patients, bots grown from your own tissue that stimulate repair from the inside, driven by nothing but the cell's own biology. If that promise survives a living body, it's a new kind of medicine. The catch is a big one. This is lab stage. That nerve regrowth signal came from cells in a dish. No animal disease model, no human trial, and the exact mechanism isn't yet pinned down. Even so, the IP is being locked down now, before any Nature cover story arrives. Right now, it's a near monopoly held by a single US research cluster. Whether this matters in 5 years comes down to one question. Does the dish result survive a living body? We'll track it as it emerges. The full breakdown, citations, caveats, funding map is at KPsphere.com. Subscribe for daily emerging tech intelligence.
That's KPsphere. More tomorrow.